my god, it was a collector.
And yeah, if you're a sub, you're getting 3 times points every 10 minutes. Watching!
Yeah,
My bro! And if you're not, you're getting, yeah, if you're not sub, you're getting 5. Oh my god!
My god.
Collect that.
It could hit 260.
Collect that shit.
Oh!
I told you!
Give us that shit, boy. Another collector.
Persistent collector.
One more.
It's max win. Persistent collector is max win. Persistent collector is max win.
One more.
Persistent collector is max win.
Oh my god.
Persistent collector here.
One more collector.
Here.
Come on.
Persistent collector here.
Come on.
Here. I see it. I saw it passing.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Oh, Team Rippers get the...
Team Rip, get the fuck out of here.
Get out, bro.
You non-believers, we'll be printing all.
Bro.
Guys, we'll be printing.
Oh, helvete, double vault.
What can be inside
90 and wait. 600.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
that's
this
max.
is a max pattern. Wait.
That is max.
Yeah.
But you got it already. You got it, right? You got the ring already.
Is that the max, man? Look at it, huh?
Let's
fucking
go.
max it out, bro.
Fucking max. I didn't understand.
What did you say
I thought it was
before?
gonna go to the vault and
What
then
did
you
you
had to
say
get
before?
it.
If you
Holy
manage
As well, 71,000. Actually, this one is looking as juicy as this one almost. Keep bringing in the premiums. Don't die here. Yes! Lovely save, 72,000 clean. Here we go! Wait, it doesn't collect. It doesn't fucking collect, it just gives us more room. Another 50 grand there. We're this close to a coin flip. And we got it. We got that coin flip, and it's a great win too. 108, 112, 129. Dude, premiums now. Look at this fucking screen. It's so freaking full and juiced up. Premiums now. All right, 130,500 is not bad, and that's a definite coin flip. 10.52. We have broken even. Alright, one more. Everything's got them ripping for us today. $3X, alright, giving us massive hope here. Please don't give me the second reel. Don't give me the second reel just yet. Train bonus, nice. Alright, potential. Actually, good hit as well. What was that? Full weight? No, it wasn't even full weight. But it was the bones. So we got profit on this one. Please, can we get that fourth reel? Yes! Alright, and the full way of both the jacks and the fucking collars. 115,000. We got one more spin. Blue dogs. Collars and 10s. Ah! Such great multis too. Alright, 199,000. I told you. This is how we recuperate it. Goddamn doghouse megways.
Is that a 207?
Or that is a 207, yes. 4, please.
Oh my.
That is 828
Please.
now.
Oh my
Please try
god.
4. Okay, that is 830 with
Oh
6
my
with 9
god.
spins. Oh, you threatened a little retirement.
Yes.
Fucking wake up.
Massive.
Come on, give us that big ass 10 cluster.
Come on, give us a big hit
One
here, bitch.
big motherfucker.
Is that another 1 point?
One
Come
big
on,
motherfucker.
bitch. Yeah, bitch. Good. Oh yeah, that's you. Oh, whoa!
Oh!
Whoa!
Yes,
Is this max?
sir.
Is this max?
Yes, sir.
Max me, bitch. Max me. Just max it. Max it. Max it. What is that? That's what we needed, bro. 8.9, bitch.
All right.
What did I tell you, bro?
Is that retirable?
What did I tell you right there?
Is that one retirable?
What did I tell you? No cap. What did I tell you right there? What did I...
Hey, this is just straight dead spinning. What was the question? I don't remember.
XQCL, sorry, people are being disrespectful about someone passing. What if thousands were memeing about one of your family members?
Yeah, do it. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
What is that? What is that? That's gotta be something, right? Yes, baby.
Ooh.
I mean,
Okay. Okay, we couldn't. Okay, we just need 3 spots. Wow. Only have 3 spins. Nice! That's Cthulhu! Yes!
Okay,
We're up
okay,
30k. Okay.
Stack it. Stack.
Come on, baby! We already have Cthulhu. This is
Don't hit the book
fucking sick. Don't do an effect? Nice.
Oh.
Good hit! Good hit, baby! Good hit! Yes! 88k, baby!
Okay.
Imagine it's the 100x Cthulhu here. Oh, nice! Another 12k on top, dude. Come on.
Do it.
Good spot! Good
drop
spot,
him,
baby!
drop
Good
him,
spot!
drop
Come on, drop it.
Drop the wild.
Yes! Oh my god, yes! Come on!
Stack.
Oh, I thought it was gonna. Oh, wait,
Sword
stack this.
Sword stack?
Oh, no! Okay, we take that all day, baby. 172k. Yes, dude.
I have a $500 bonus. It's my last one. Wilds. Good wild placement. Please another good wild placement. I desperately need another good wild placement. Please to the left of it. Please, it's game over. Oh no. It's still good, but please another wild somewhere. Please another wild. I need something stupid. No. Hearts, not bad. But I need another wild placement. I need another wild, please. 2 spins left, no? Oh no. Still 10k, 15k, good, very big, very big. Something else, please, last spin, please. Oh, all the way, Clover, yes! How much is that? How much is that? Oh, yes! I'm out, yes! Wow, I actually got saved to the last fucking bonus, wow! Yes! What the fuck, it actually saved me. So many okay, 11-11. Watch, I'm gonna get a 10-10, dealer's gonna have an ace. I'm gonna call this, then Stake's gonna post this, and I'm gonna be very upset.
Oh, fuck! Big multis! 10! 9! 10! That's fine. I mean, it's only 2x different. 7? Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go! I'm gonna break these glasses! Don't even care. That's profit, baby. That's a profit fucking hunt. It's not even over. We still got more. I was feeling it. I told you guys I was feeling this. I was feeling it. We missed the middle reel, but you know, this fine. It's fine.
That is what we're waiting for. Mario, thank you for the follow. This Greek legend. Satse with the follow, thank you.
Super Turbo in the bonus is the same as normal game.
Oh! Bro! Give us a good one, man! I didn't expect that! We have done it then! Oh my god, please!
Is this max?
Please! No, it's not yet, not yet. 10? Oh my god, I don't know, we need a good multi here! 20! Oh! Is that? Is it? Ah! Let's go, Yassuo, bro! What? Ladies and gentlemen! Yes! Look at this, baby! 1,800,000!
It's whale in Sweden on Sunday, guys. Don't forget to vote. Yeah, it is actually. Whale in Sweden on Sunday.
Dropping it. Okay. Jeez. Bones. $441, Desnum. Congrats. All right.
Jerry, still restocking the merch? Oh my god! 100 eggs? Wait, what hits? Bananas? What was it? 675,000! That's what we do.